The index is still down 30% year to date, and our next guest says investor sentiment is still firmly in peak cycle camp, and he's cutting his price targets across the board. Stacey Raskin joins us now, senior semi-analyst at Bernstein. All right, Stacey, let's pick up the discussion where we left off last hour with one investor, not a semi-specialist, just a typical kind of value investor, saying that he thought NVIDIA would be the kind of stock you could own here. What would you say in response to that? You agree with him or no?
Yeah, I think it depends on your time frame. So NVIDIA's got a wonderful long-term story built around data center. They've got near-term product cycles in that space as well. And I mean, they're killing it in that business. Where people have been nervous on NVIDIA is not that, though. It's around the gaming business, and particularly around cryptocurrency, which is, as we all know, has been a bit of an issue, especially in the last couple of days. People are a little nervous about sort of the near-term gaming trajectory in the wake of potential shortfalls from crypto. And so that is maybe a little bit of a near-term risk. Now, to the company's credit, they actually did take numbers down a couple of weeks ago when they reported.
Right.
And so that's a good thing. You could argue that maybe they could take it down a little more as we go through. So I think it just really depends on your horizon for that one. I think if you're owning it for the data center story and you can live through volatility, as we've seen, it is a volatile stock. That is one that you could own, but you're owning it for that story.
So let me
I do think at some point, by the way, gaming and crypto and all this won't matter anymore. Data center, I've got bigger than gaming for them this year. So that's a trajectory that's going to continue.
No, and that's helpful as investors try to sort this out. I guess my broader question, when we say that you're cutting price targets across the board, as you're sharpening your pencil, this might be a dumb question to ask, but are you getting more or less bullish on the space? Cutting price targets, but at the same time saying some of these valuations have corrected too far to the downside, maybe like AMD, Qualcomm, and maybe some others.
Yeah, so look, at a minimum, I think it's time to start sharpening your pencils on a few of these names. So if you look at the space itself, multiples have compressed quite a bit. They've come down about 40% from the peak that we saw in the beginning of January. Now, a silver lining is that is as much or even more than we typically see in a typical like a peak to trough kind of cycle. What investors are looking for right now, like perversely, is earnings revisions, negative revisions. They want to see expectations come down. That's why the multiples have done. Multiples come first, earnings come second, and then people can feel comfortable buying the stocks. Broadly for the space, multiples have kind of normalized, but we haven't seen panic. But there are a few names that I could argue valuations do price in a little bit more panic. In my coverage, those are names, especially names like Qualcomm, which is trading at 9 times earnings. It is well below its pre-COVID trough, simply because anything touching a smartphone is death. Although their exposure in smartphones is better, there's a content story and a diversification story that's really playing out, and they're doing really well. The other one is AMD, which is trading, 16 times earnings maybe. Its pre-COVID trough was 24 times. There's a wonderful growth story there. They've got a lot of levers that I think actually can carry things. They just reiterated guidance at their analyst day a week or two ago. And as it comes to Intel, their primary competitor, they are absolutely killing it in the data center. And Intel even basically admitted at their own analyst day a couple of months ago, AMD is going to run over them at least for the next 2 years, maybe longer. And so there is a story there that at 16 times earnings or wherever it is, I think this is a great time to be sharpening.
It's so amazing that AMD has flipped the tables on Intel, because for so many years Intel was the gold standard, and AMD was the tag along, and now it's quite the opposite. So let me ask you this: you mentioned as an aside there, anything that touches the cell phone is I don't know what your word was, but not good. Why is that? Why is that?
Yeah, smartphones are weak. They've been weak, especially Android smartphones in China have been very, very weak. And they got even weaker recently because of some of the COVID lockdowns that we've seen there. So that's just a market that has not been great. And anything touching that market has been bad. And some of these things have been punished even a little more, I think, than maybe they should have been.
Interesting. And obviously, Apple's using more of its own chips in lots of things, I assume, including cell phones.
Apple's actually okay. The Apple supply chain, I mean, the Apple units look all right. Yeah. We can argue about internalization of silicon. It's a controversy for Qualcomm, although it should already be in the numbers. People know about it.
I'm inferring from what you're saying that the great sell-off in semis overall is in the 7th inning or later. Am I intuiting you correctly?
I hope so. I hope so. That's the thing. And so the issue is, usually when numbers start to come down, you do see multiples start to come up. The problem is you always get that period of a double whammy. And so it turns out the best time to buy the stocks is after numbers start coming down, but if you could be perfect and anticipate the trough a couple of months before the estimates hit bottom, that tends to be the best time. The worst time to be holding them usually, though, is right when numbers come down. So investors want to see cuts before they feel like comfortable buying them, but they don't want to buy them until they see the cuts. And so that's kind of the stage we're in right now.
Yeah. Stacey, thank you so much. We'll see you again during the summer.
Oh, you bet. Anytime.
Thank you, my friend. Stacey Ragson.